Yeah, start a new video out here. I kind of made a mistake the other day, and I'll show you what I did. I accidentally burnt my fruit trees. Started noticing Japanese beetles, and I read peppermint oil got rid of them. I sprayed peppermint oil on there, didn't know that. But that mixed with sunlight causes the plants to get sunburned. So I made a mistake that way, so I might lose my fruit this year. Been battling trying to get fruit on them dang trees for a while, but them Japanese beetles are something else. Oh, we're gonna try something new here. Got a Japanese beetle trap. Oh. We're gonna give that a whirl, see how that works. We're gonna put another one down by the other trees, which yeah, these are pretty well burnt. I don't think I'll get any fruit off of them. It kind of bums me out. That's what it is. I mean, I messed up royally. I don't know, the leaves are definitely burnt. The leaves are definitely burnt. There's one peach right there. There's another peach right there, and I don't know. It doesn't look like they're burnt, so it might. Yeah, here's the other one, the one that's been loaded. And you can definitely see some of those got burnt. But it looks like some of these peaches are doing pretty good too, but yeah, you can see pretty burnt. Well, only time will tell with that. Kind of the same deal with this apple tree. Now that I know that, I won't do that. Like, I didn't know that. Yeah, you can definitely see the apples definitely got burnt. So I'm pretty sure there might be a couple apples that might make it. But yeah, these got pretty well bad too. I will say though, it did work. The Japanese beetles ain't been back since. I don't know if this tree has any in it. I didn't spray this one, so this one's doing great. But hey, look at that. The one lonesome apple's actually getting bigger. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, there they go. So they are still chilling in this tree. Yep, I think I just seen one. Oh, maybe it was the curl. Thought I saw one, but it was a curl of a leaf. But yeah, you can see some of these leaves got pretty well tore up. All right, I'll go grab the other one, go place the other one. I bought a two-pack, hoping to get one down by the fruit trees and one up by the house, because they were mad up by the house. So we'll get that done. Getting ready for the 4th of July though, or the day before. Still got a lot of work to do in this yard, but we've come a long way. Good enough for the week though, so we can enjoy our day tomorrow. Yeah, 4th of July. Right now I'm burning some weeds and some cardboard. Trying to get ready for tonight. We're at the home stretch for fireworks. Alright, we're getting out here, getting stuff set up. Got a table for the fireworks. Got a picnic table set up for the cookout. I gotta get a few things ready for the hill over here. That's where we're gonna be lighting our fireworks off at. I got me a box that we can do fountains on. I don't even know if I can see that. I can't even see that. There it is. Kind of hard to see. It's bright out here. We're all set up. Down here doing one last final thing, and that's getting the spray nozzle on the hose so that way we can get this hill watered down before we start lighting fireworks. We'll do this just before it's time to, so that way all this stuff is pretty well soaked. It won't catch fire very well, but we'll also have a hose right here for if something does happen, does catch fire. I'm ready for it.
Ready?
Yep. Safety first.
America!
Yeah. One thing about doing this big show is the cleanup afterwards. Got a bucket here with Roman candles in it. It's been a couple hours. All this stuff's kind of, I didn't realize that one got moved way over there. But yeah, we got all this up here. All this back here. Then you got the grand finale way back here. Yep. And all of this has got to be cleaned up. Well, here we are next morning. I cleaned up a bit last night. I burned most of the fireworks, empties, after they've been soaked in water, so that was kind of fun. Yeah, they come out and clean the rest of it up this morning. There wasn't much to go. They got a little bit of cleaning here and there, but other than that, we're pretty well good. There's the box we were lighting their fountains off on. See, all the fireworks that were back there are gone. All the fireworks that were up on this hill are gone. Yep, I can tell they cleaned all the paper up. That's how I know they cleaned up a little more, because this thing was loaded with paper. But yeah, I took all the boards, set them up against the shop. We'll put them away. There's the fire pit. Got one more firework I didn't want to put in there last night because it looked like it didn't go off halfway. I'm gonna put that in there today, and because it's still hot, that firework should be dry enough too. If it goes off, it goes off. But yeah, that's the gist of it today. Oh, I'll take and show you these Japanese beetle traps. These things actually work great. Yeah, I was actually pretty impressed with these traps. Actually working pretty good. Oh, those Japanese beetles just fell off the ding tree. Yeah, see, these things are everywhere. They're so bad they're falling off the tree. This, oh wow, this bag over here looks like it's pretty full. So if you got Japanese beetle problems, my suggestion would be these Japanese beetle traps. Yeah, this thing's loaded. Oh, there's a bee in there too. Yeah, that thing is just loaded. Yep, I would suggest getting those if you got Japanese beetle issues. I'm gonna end the video here today. I'm gonna edit further more of the show so you get to see the full show in its entirety. Steven did some recording of it, so you'll see that on the Best Outdoors channel. I'll also have it on my channel too, but I want to do some better editing with it instead of just the little bit that I've been doing for editing. But I'm gonna end it right here. Like and subscribe. Till next time.